5.3 with a cam, man. Oh man. What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. It's all bad, y'all. It's all bad, but it's all good. I gotta tow the car, man. The motor still got a knock in it, man. But we're gonna go ahead and drop another motor in it this week. When I got a trailer, I'm finna tow it to my guy, Tone Shop, to bring the swap Nova up here to Tone Shop, man, so he can swap it out again. That 6.0, when that gas hydrolocked the motor, it had some catastrophic failure, so I'm gonna put a 5.3 in it for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the 6.0, probably rebuild it or just do something with the 5.3 and put some turbos on it. So we're gonna see, man. Y'all just stay tuned in and subscribe. So we're just taking for a test ride. Y'all hear the knocking? Got it. I don't know, y'all, man. Let's see what's... Damn, look at this motherfucker.
Beehives. The $500 springs, not the cheap springs, the good springs. Double springs, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I got so much shit back here, dude.
I mean, shit.
I got fucking BOP paste. Fucking.
Shit, let's go ahead and just pull it in.
Look.
What's up?
I got LSD tapes and shit.
Yeah.
I got injected fuel wheels.
I'm just trying to get ready.
And $2,000 drag race pumps in there.
Yeah.
Look, this is 2 fuel pumps in one.
2 fuel pump? Yeah, double.
It's that Holly. I'm over here support up to like 4,000 horsepower.
Man, I swear, man, how the fuck injector just started leaking, man? How the hell would you even know?
Look.
Let's see.
This box. Look, I got a whole nother set of beehive springs. Ain't even been put on yet.
I mean, shit.
You see what I'm saying? I mean, couple grand, I can throw you a nice little cam and put the springs on the head and she's ready to ride. You know, it is what it is, you know. It ain't too much, you know. Well, you know, you spent that at the motherfucking machine shop.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You spent that at the machine shop before you even put the motherfucker.
Yeah, you're right.
So,
let's get it together, man. Let's get it. Shit, whatever I got. I'm trying to ride, man. What kind of heads, though?
those are 816s. I got 706s. I got 2 sets of 706s at the shop right now. I got 2 sets of 706s at the shop right now.
Is that, I don't know nothing about the heads and shit.
Oh, yeah, that's it. They definitely.
Y'all, we gonna leave this one over here. Let Tone handle it. What you got in here?
I'll start 5.3.
Oh, excuse me. This yours too? God damn. Where the lack at? Oh yeah, that motherfucker nice. Shit. Oh yeah. I might do a 5.3 and just add some turbos on it later.
5.3. See what I'm saying? That's 5.3. So you talking about you gotta get out here, nigga. I need to ride home.
Oh.
You going to Rockford, right?
Yeah.
All right, we can go out. I can take you out this way.
Okay.
That way, take you straight to Orchard. Orchard take you straight down.
All right. All right, y'all, man. I'm gonna leave the car here with Tone. I think I'm gonna probably put a 5.3 in it with a cam. This damn, I've been having bad luck with 6.0s. I'll probably add some turbos later. Nova right here. It's clean though. Yeah, the 6.0, man. It seemed like we had some rod damage, man. And I'm trying to be done by Friday. I don't want to put that much work on them, having them do internal work and all that shit. I'm gonna just go with a 5.3.
Yeah.
5.3 with a cam, man.
Yes,